Okay guys, so this is what's going on. I've finally aligned my hose fair lead here. Okay, these are my two little helpers, actually three. When you don't got no one to help you, your magnets are your best friends. So here are my little brackets here. You see I've beveled here so that, being that this is round, this bevel right here will make it sit like that. So I'll have a better weld. Okay, so I'll put this back right here. There. I've measured the distance here to here. It's 2 inch and 2 inch from here to here. So this is how it looks like. There. It's coming very, very swell. So yeah, I'm actually enjoying myself. So this is part 5, guys. I'm gonna drill holes in these little brackets, and then after that I'm gonna tack it, and then I'm gonna make a I don't know what you call it, another bracket going from here to here, so that, and then another bracket from here to here, so that it's strong enough to resist back and forth motion. Okay, so from here to here, from here to here, so that it's strong enough to resist the back and forth motion of this thing. So yeah, it's coming along very, very well. I'm enjoying myself, as you can see here. Okay, I am totally enjoying myself. All right, well, let's get back to work. I'm gonna drill a hole in here and drill a hole in here, okay, on the brackets, and yeah, we'll go on from there. Okay guys, so this is what I did. Tack that in place, tack that in place. Now I am going to remove this thing. There, I'm gonna tack this in place, tack that in place, and then weld it to the bottom. So everything's coming very, very well. So let's get to work. Okay guys, so it's done. I said I was gonna make a bracket running from here to here. I decided to go against it. I shaped the bracket like this, and that's how it looks like. All right, so this is sort of like the gate. I've shaved off all the sharp edges. So I shaved off all the sharp edges here too, my beads. I didn't want my beads to be stacking coin like, so I shaved it off so that if the rope rubs against here, it won't have any issues. I think I'm going to shave this off a little bit too. It's too edgy here. I want it to be roundish like that. So I'm going to do that. So this is how it looks like. Boing. There. See? There it is. Whoop. There it is. And this goes in like this. Goes in like that. Like so. Fun time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount my front license plate right here on top of this bar. So I'm going to go cut some more brackets for here, and then I am done. And then tomorrow I'll have my son hand sand this bad boy here, and look for dingleberries. Like there's a whole bunch of little dingleberries right here, and hit them off like so, like that. Okay, and I'll have my son do that. And as I said I would do, I made a bracket here so that if I should pull this that way, okay, this little bracket here will help hold the shackle here. so that it won't tear off. Yeah, so that's that, guys. So let me make a license plate bracket for here. So this is 3/16 metal. I'm gonna use thin metal just for the license plate because it's not heavy duty. Don't need anything heavy duty for the license plate. Okay guys, so this is how it's gonna look like. The license plate is gonna be right here. Okay. And yeah, that's it. I might bend, I'm gonna tack this and then bend this up a little bit. Here, up a little bit like this, angle it, so that it's got no chance of hitting the rope. Okay, so that's good. All right, so let's tack this thing on, call it a night. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks like now. My tabs are fabricated, welded onto here, and screwed on. Okay, so the thingy here will stay right here. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, I like. Oh, it's been fun. So this is how the bad boy will look like. So now, yeah, I'm basically done, and I need to make two underside here. Well, yeah, underneath there I need to make two gusset, one coming from there to here and there to here, but that'll be for tomorrow. And I'm gonna have my son come and also sand down the bad boy so I can paint Saturday. I'm basically done. YouTube, so tonight is the final night, finalizing everything. Tomorrow I will be painting this bad boy. So you're looking at the bottom of my bumper. So here I've made skids here, gusset. You can call it skid, you can call it gusset. This is for the underside. Okay. The reason I do this is because I'm gonna put a winch up here, and 12,000 pounds will be pulling against the bottom of this plate, and I don't want this plate to fail on me. So this right here and that right there is designed to hold the structure together. So it's welded all the way to here, and that as well, all the way to here. So it's coming very, very well. Okay, so what I need to do tonight, I decided I'm gonna put a cap here, okay, on here, just to make it look more aesthetically pleasing. Okay, and on the other side too, but I'm gonna make brackets here and up here, okay, to mount the my light bars. Okay, yes, I still utilize them. And in the future, I'm gonna mount fog lights right here, driving lights down here. So because that car right there, my car, comes with its own lights. Okay, and I still want to use this. So it's probably going to be either sitting here or there. We'll see what happens as it goes. But yeah, it's coming very, very nicely tonight. Okay, YouTube, so this is it. Final welding and everything. Today, my son took the opportunity to sand this down. Tomorrow morning, all I'm gonna do is recheck what my son sand down, and I'm gonna paint. So I'll show you here. This is for my fog light. It's got tabs here, and I'll only have one long fog lights here from now on, and I won't have any more. I used to have two on my truck, but being that this is the way I designed my bumper, 2 is kind of ugly, so I decided I'm just gonna put 1 light bar here. Okay, and then I'm gonna, in the future, I'm gonna mount 2 fog lights here and here. Okay, so 1 here, 1 there. Let's see, welding the end cap here. Just finished buffing it out, so it looks nicer, smoother and prettier here as well. End cap, welding the end cap, so it's all capped. It looks really nice. I like it. I'll see you in the morning, and we shall paint.